performing Marma therapy and start getting miraculous results, they often ask me why such a great science is kept so secret, so hidden. This science can be used so efficiently and it works like miracle, it works so fast, then why Marma science is still called a secret science, a hidden science? Well, the answer lies in the history. As I told you, Marma science is very old and it is dated back from the oldest civilization ever found in the excavations from Saraswati Valley, from Saraswati Culture Valley, and like Harappa Sanskriti, Mohenjo-daro, and from Vedas. And this Marma therapy is also referred very vastly in Charak Samhita. It is also referred in Sushruta Samhita. Sushruta Samhita is like a surgical text in Ayurveda, how to perform, the oldest surgical text ever found in the history about the surgeries. And in chapter 6 you can find the reference of Marma therapy. But still the Marma therapy was kept so secret, so hidden, because the main reason was to stop the misuse of Marma therapy. That was the main reason, because the seers, the saints in India, these ancient people, they know that if this science spread everywhere, then there is a danger that people might start misusing it. So this science was mostly taught either to the king or the chief of the army or only the great warriors, and people, they were using these Marma points. But apart from this, only just because Marma points, they are very tender points, very vulnerable points. So apart from only this fighting, this martial arts, it was also used for the treatments, like in Sushruta Samhita, the surgical procedures of Ayurveda, they are mostly based on this anatomical position of the Marma points. And in many ways, in different ways, it was revealed to the world. It was revealed and it came in the spiritual practices, like we Hindus, we perform many spiritual practices which are having their influence from Marma therapy. Like I have in my another video, I have already explained how many of our spiritual practices, religious practices, prayers practices, they are having influence of Marma science. So Marma science, in a way, it was kept hidden, and in a way just to take the benefits only, it was revealed to world in some other way, not just to be told like, okay, this is Marma science, we are teaching you this. No. So but in another way, in another practices, yes, it was present, but just to stop the misuse, because these points were not to be exposed. These points are to be like saved and preserved. So even if you go through the text of Ramayana, Mahabharata, there is also reference of Marma science. Like in Mahabharata, when the people, they were, when the warriors, they were going for the war, so they were keeping their Marma points secret. They were using the armors on their Marma points. Not only, it wasn't only up to it wasn't only limited up to the people, up to the human, even for the animals, even for like elephants and the horses, even their Marma points were also covered with the armors and with different metals. So, and if you find the reference in Ramayana, when Lord Rama, he was killing Ravana, so finally he shot an arrow in his Nabhi Marma, navel Marma point, because that was the most tender point where he was hiding where Ravan was hiding the nectar. There also this Marma point was used, but because just to prevent the misuse of this Marma points, because ancient times also there was like more upheaval, many wars, so it was kept secret all the time. But now efforts have been made to make Marma science more available to the general public, but in a medical concept. So nowadays we are using this Marma point for the benefit of the people, for medical purposes only, for spiritual development, physical development, and for psychological diseases. I hope you get my point. Why this Marma point? Why this Marma art, this Marma therapy was kept secret till now?